Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about how to get the customer's expectation. It's very important to know what they want and why they want it. And the way that you get that is simply by listening. In order to listen, you have to do two things. You have to humble yourself and let go of your agenda. When I say humble yourself, I mean you have to have an attitude or a mindset that you are there to serve them. Their needs and wants are more important than your needs and wants. So you're there to serve them. We make money and we support our families by giving service to many. You might not get this big sale on this job. There might not be much to do, and you keep the customer's best interest in mind. The other thing you have to do to listen is to let go of your agenda, and that has to do with humility. So we have an agenda. Let's just be honest. We're there to make money. We're there to maximize our average ticket. We're there to sell upgrades. There's always pressure from managers and owners to bring in more and more money. But to listen, you really got to let go of what you want, let go of your agenda, humble yourself, and serve the other person. And when you really listen to the other person and really deeply listen to them and understand them, that's a very deeply connecting thing. Listening is hard work. One of my favorite Proverbs is Proverbs 19:20. It says, "Be quick to listen and slow to speak and slow to anger." But when I listen to someone or you listen to someone and we listen to the other person, it's a highly respectful act. It's an act of love. It says, "I understand you." It says, "You're important." And when you do that, you are deeply connecting with the other person. Not many people know how to listen. So how do you get the person to talk? You have to ask a question. Why am I here? How can I help you? Tell me what's going on. What are you hoping we accomplish today? And they may say, "Well, don't you know why I'm here?" I mean, I get that a lot from technicians. Certainly we have an idea, but it's good to hear from them. That's another video for another day, but ask the customer, "Listen, I just want to hear from you. What's your expectation? Tell me what's wrong." And continue to ask them good questions so they'll listen, so they'll talk and you can listen. Listening is hard work, but listening is very important work. Hey, just so you know, down below in the comments section, you'll see a link to a free class that we're doing. You can register for the Service Call Blueprint. It is scheduled for, first week in March. And you're welcome to join us and learn more about the Service Call Blueprint. And again, thanks for listening and God bless. I wanted to introduce you to my book, The Service Call Blueprint, Field-Tested Strategies for Higher Revenue. In this book, you're going to learn how to control the service call process. You're also going to learn how to say goodbye to small tickets. I'm going to walk you through a real-world example where a simple $150 repair was converted into a high-value solution for over $900. You're also going to learn how to use boundaries for consistency. This book's going to help you replace the guesswork. You're not going to have to guess, because the book comes loaded with field-tested scripts, so your technicians will know exactly how to greet, exactly how to present options, and exactly how to answer questions that they're going to get from customers. The link to the book is inside the description. You can order a copy today. Thank you and God bless. Passing the Baton is a book about how to book and dispatch service calls. This book is going to teach you how to book and dispatch service calls correctly. It takes the guesswork out of it because it gives you scripts. You'll learn how to prioritize calls based on relationship and urgency to maximize profits. You'll also learn how to resist giving time slots. And if you implement these strategies, you're going to run fewer calls and make a whole lot more money. The link to the book is inside of the description. You can order a copy today.